Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Best meal replacement. Clif Bars Pros. Most energy bars are too skimpy on calories to replace a meal. One bar we tried offered a tasty 400-calorie package but was skimpy on protein. Another bar delivered on protein but was dry as chalk. Cons. Nothing beats a real meal, but good in a pinch.
Let's help you make your mark.
Clif Bars have a high carbohydrate and sugar content that could cause someone to gain weight if they are not exercising regularly. Some people may choose to eat Clif Bars as a regular snack or dessert.
Let's help you make your mark.
Because Clif Bars contain a higher amount of carbs and sugar, they're not an ideal healthy snack for all circumstances. Chan recommends eating a Clif Bar before or during moderate to high-intensity activity when you need sustained energy.
Let's help you make your mark.
That's why we make Clif Builders Bars to help repair and build muscle, all in delicious flavors you'll love. Gluten-free Clif Builders Bars have carbs and 20 grams of complete plant protein asterisk, with the essential amino acids you need to help repair and build muscles.
Let's help you make your mark.
Meal replacement protein bars are often seen as a quick way to replace a meal, especially breakfast. While a protein bar doesn't compare to a breakfast made with a variety of healthy whole foods, some may work well in a pinch.
Let's help you make your mark.
In conclusion, next time you substitute a meal with an energy bar, don't feel guilty. It's providing you with all the things your body needs, and may even keep you full longer. While eating only energy bars isn't that realistic, it's reassuring to know that they can provide you with all the nutrients you need.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.